hand on your knob, your imagination knob. I'm gonna turn it up, and using our imagination, oh, let's spoon together. Yeah, spoon. Oh, you know it. Nothing weird about spooning. We're spooning just because we're having a great time together at the coolest rock and roll party in the metaverse. The only live show where you get to spoon with me and with a bunch of other people. So do you like to spoon? I'll leave a like. Do you want to spoon with me? Leave a spoon. Oh, there it is. Breaking through walls mindset. So I make it a beautiful day even when nothing is going my way. Because there's a decision. Each of us, there's a decision we have to make. Or someone makes it for us. What's that decision? Decide our mindset. Because when you let